New homes are increasingly being outfitted with solar panels, heat pumps, rechargeable batteries, and other means of producing and storing heat, electricity, and gas, all of which interconnect with the electrical grid. At the level of an entire neighborhood, these centralized intermittent energy sources form a complex network which can also include energy consuming installations such as electric vehicle charging stations. Managing these multi energy systems and optimizing energy costs raises a number of questions. Should energy be consumed when it is produced, or sold to the grid, or stored for later use? And how should various energy sources be distributed if there are groups of consumers generating their own energy? Swiss Center for Electronics and Microtechnology CSEM has developed smart predictive software capable of providing real-time answers to these questions. Designed for non-specialists, it makes use of weather forecasts, data from local infrastructure, residents' consumption habits, and market energy costs. As its name indicates, Mastro is like an orchestra conductor that automatically manages resources and keeps costs down. An online simulator based on a building with 8 family apartments is available on their website. You can find the link in the description of this video. All of Mastro's decisions are based on cost management. When a solar panel is in use, for example, the software can tell you whether it is more advantageous to charge your electric vehicle or store the energy or sell it to the grid. The system works for individual homes, but it could also prove to be very useful for a self-sufficient community, sharing various renewable energy sources across several homes. The software is easy to use and can be quickly adapted to individual neighborhoods. To start with, parameters such as solar panel size, building's surface area, battery storage capacity, and user preferences and priorities are fed into a planning tool. Production data from energy installations provided by sensors are then sent to the cloud, where Mastro automatically compares possible consumption decisions and identifies the most cost-effective one. Instructions are sent back to the computer, which carries them out on site. Mastro can incorporate boilers, heat pumps, and electric vehicle charging stations, as well as electric batteries, renewable energy sources such as solar panels and wind turbines, power to gas facilities, thermal storage tanks, and more. Other systems on the market are designed only for individual homes and often employ a very simple mechanism of increasing power consumption whenever solar energy is produced. Mastro, on the other hand, can be used just as well for an entire neighborhood where the network is more complex. It can also accommodate other energy consuming installations such as electric vehicle charging stations and home heating and cooling systems. And Mastro looks at weather forecasts for the coming days, which means that it can factor future needs into its consumption decisions. More broadly, the system is designed to keep costs down.